Peace and Black Power, everybody. I want to welcome you to another NCRBGZ Productions. And this morning, I have a early morning breaking news section that we're going to talk about right now. This is early morning. This ain't something I usually do, but this morning I was compelled after watching some of my articles and reading to sit down and talk to the family this morning. It's up to you to take heed to this information. Now, we know that the stock market opens up at 9 a.m. 9 a.m., stock market opened up. So what I want to do is I'm going to give out some good jewels. It's up to whoever watching this and up this morning to take this and use this to apply to your stocks. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to be here long. This is real quick. So I'm going to share my screen and I want to talk about a couple of things that's going on right now. Right. So let me share my screen. I'm going to read some articles and we're going to jump right in. All right. First article that I want to read is the fact that, wrong button. Let me share my screen again. First article I want to read is, I know y'all probably familiar that last week the government, the United States, ordered China to close their embassy down in Houston. Wednesday last week, the United States, they ordered China to close their consulate down in Houston. So they made them close down their embassy that they had open in Houston, right? Well, in retaliation, this is where it happened. Now, yesterday, China made the United States close down their embassy in Qingda. If I pronounce it right, I don't know, but United States embassy in China, the flag was lowered yesterday. So China basically done in retaliation. They said, okay, well, you close ours, we're gonna close one of yours, right? So you have this China, United States tension that is going on, right? In the midst of all this going on with China, here we go, where with China and United States, you have that going on. So I'm gonna play this quick video.
You turn 40 and everything goes.
Tell me about it.
You know, it's made me think I'm closer to my retirement days than I am my college days. I'm thinking, will I have enough? Should I change something?
Well, you're asking the right questions.
Well, I just want to know, am I going to be okay?
I know people who specialize in am I going to be okay.
I like that.
You may need glasses, though.
Yeah. Guidance to help you stay on track, no matter what comes next.
The American Consulate General in the Chinese city of Chengdu is officially shutting down just moments ago. In fact, the American flag outside the building was lowered as US diplomats prepared to leave. Afterwards, they tweeted a farewell message to the consulate saying, quote, "We will miss you forever." China ordered the US to close the site last week after Washington made a similar move first, forcing a Chinese consulate in Houston to cease operations. Both sides accusing each other of endangering national security. CNN's David Culver is in Chengdu.
All right, so that's enough. So as we can see, they made them close down the embassy, and in retaliation, they closed down theirs. So what does all this have to do with what I'm talking about when it comes to the stock market? When it comes to the stock market and when it comes to our money in America, what does these two things that I'm showing you, these two headlines have to do? Well, first we're gonna deal with gold. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all. And all right, this is just what's let me see the time frame. This was posted. It was no more than like 6 or 7 hours ago, but gold prices hits record high among fears of coronavirus crisis. So right now, gold hit the all-time high. See, the price of gold has climbed to a record high, reaching $1,943. The all-time high was like $1,960 something. I don't know, like 20 or 30, but it done reached the with the record high, reaching that. And this has just happened overnight. I mean, so as you can see, it's been rising, but it really took a spike overnight. So see, the price of gold jumped to a new record high of $1,943.93 an ounce on Monday morning. First thing this morning, you see that? You see that? It just went up even higher. So now it's testing. It's they saying that this article is basically saying that this is because of the coronavirus and the fears of the coronavirus lockdown and the threat of the global recession looms, right? So this is what's going on with gold. I'm just taking y'all to a certain place. Follow me as I go. It's fresh off the morning. I want to give y'all a head start. So you have gold prices that's going to an all-time high or record high. Let me say record high. That's going on right now as we speak. That silver did go up, but it had a correction, right? So I'm not going to talk about silver. So now you have Bitcoin. Bitcoin has soared over the $10,000 mark, and now it's going to test the 10,500 mark. Right now, Bitcoin is at $1,287. Last night when I went to sleep, Bitcoin was still over $10,000. So you have Bitcoin that is on a rise. Bitcoin is going to test the $10,500 mark. So you have gold reaching a new high. Bitcoin is surpassing the $10,000 mark and it's rising. You have the China and US relations tension that's going on right now, right? And you have Ethereum. Ethereum soars also. Ethereum went up to like over $300. Right now, I think Ethereum is around 320. Let's see, but Ether sold the headlines this week, soaring more than 20% as the boom and DFF application begins to pay dividends. You know, so you have Bitcoin rising, Ethereum rising. You have gold reaching record highs, and you have the Chinese and US embassies closing, and then you have the coronavirus. Now, I'm telling y'all all this to tell y'all this. You can expect this stock. Let me see what this article is. Okay. I already showed them all. Let me stop my screen share. I'm telling y'all this. When the stock market opens up today at 9, let's see how it reacts. I don't want to say how I'm thinking, but just understand when the stock market opens at 9 p.m., if you are involved in stocks, I will be paying attention because you have this coronavirus, the second wave, they talking about the stimulus checks coming out. Now, to everyday Americans, that's good to get that money. But to investors, that's a bad sign because we know that they're going to just print more money. And printing more money is never good for the price of the dollar. And also the fact that the economy is sluggish because of the coronavirus. You have the tensions between China and United States. You have gold reaching near all-time highs. You have Bitcoin and the altcoins rising. You put all this stuff together and you have a combination of things that can make it so the stock market may have a bad day today. Let's see how the stock market reacts, y'all. Pay attention. Do not sleep on this. You have some things that's going on that make you wonder how this stock market is going to open up. With that being said, tonight is financial freedom starting at 9 o'clock. We're going to see how the stock market reacts. We're going to talk about it tonight at 9 o'clock on Financial Freedom on NCRBGZ. Hey, tune in. It's going to be a great discussion, and we're going to lay some things down, and we're going to prepare our people to get prepared for what is to come. So hopefully if anything do come, we are prepared. If it don't come, we still good. With that being said, peace, Black Power. I love y'all, family.